Welcome YouTubers to Diecast Culture, and today we are doing a unboxing of two vehicles I've purchased from a UK company called Tortoise, and one is a Scammell Freightliner Lledo Matchbox 1971, and the other is a Super Haulers Corgi Ford Transit van with logos on the side of the Royal Automobile Association (RAC) Rescue Service Breakdown Service. So without further ado, we shall swap the camera around and have a closer look. I spotted both of these on Google Images, and they were posted by a UK diecast company called tortoise.co.uk, TOR and then toys.co.uk, and they've arrived really quickly. They're well packaged, really pleased, thank you for that. And I've seen the vehicle on the right at a number of places on the internet, and came across this one and I thought, yeah, I'll have that. So it says on the base, made in, I'm not sure if you can pick that out, see if we can get some focusing going on here. Hopefully you can read that. Matchbox Superkings K14 Freightliner, made in England, 1971, Lledo products. So this is already 29 plus 20, so 49 years old, nearly turning 50. And this is in beautiful condition, has sliding doors on both sides. There's the one on the other side just closing. And this is a Scammell truck. I'm not a fan of the wheels. I think they could have. I think Lledo, well, they produce these to widen market appeal, and they roll really well, but they don't look too realistic. So hopefully, if I come across some other wheels that look more realistic, I'm tempted to pop them on this. It's all metal and plastic, clear plastic roof, and let's get some focusing. Yeah, rolls really nicely. Not bad for 49 years old. And we'll do some close-up images of it a little bit later. So I just wanted to share that piece with you, and the other piece I wanted to share with you is this Lledo. That's Lledo, and this is a Ford Transit RAC rescue service for cars that have broken down. And this is just a shade larger than 1/64 scale, but it's just about the right size to not be too noticeable. And this is a nice example, particularly with the light fixture on the back. And I have one other Lledo Ford Transit van, and it's the one on the right. Take a closer look. So the base, if it's focusing, let's just get that to focus. So you can see Lledo PLC, made in England. Not sure if this diecast company still makes vehicles. And this particular van has starred in a previous video on vans that I've got. Got a nice lot of detail there. and on this one I marked in the rear lights to make it look a little bit more realistic. So there you go. That's that covers these vehicles. Thanks ever so much for watching, and just to come in a sec will be a few close-up images, and stay safe. Speak to you soon. Bye.